Hey guys, and happy Wednesday night. This is Food by Faith. I was doing some organizing in my cabinets because I have a free day tomorrow, so I have some extra time tonight to do some different things that I want to get done. And I was looking at all of my different coffee makers. So, as I traveled around Europe, specifically Italy, I acquired so many different coffee makers. And guys, I actually use these things. And of course, in the corner of my kitchen, I have the old trusty Mr. Coffee. So, let me know how you guys are making coffee.